The International Cricket Council (ICC) suspended Cricket Canada from its membership with immediate effect on 1 June 2026 after identifying serious violations related to governance and membership obligations. The decision was taken during ICC board meetings held in Ahmedabad, India, marking one of the most significant governance actions in recent cricket administration. Although Cricket Canada has been suspended administratively, Canadian national teams will continue to remain eligible to participate in ICC tournaments under special arrangements. What happened? The ICC announced the suspension of Cricket Canada after reviewing the concerns regarding governance failures, allegations of corruption, financial mismanagement, administrative non-compliance, failure to submit audited financial statements. The ICC stated that these issues represented breaches of membership obligations required from all member cricket boards. The suspension came after earlier corrective measures and monitoring efforts did not produce satisfactory reforms. What is Cricket Canada? Cricket Canada is the official governing body responsible for managing cricket activities in Canada, organizing domestic competitions, selecting national teams, developing grassroots cricket, representing Canada with ICC structure. As an ICC member body, Cricket Canada must comply with international standards relating to governance, transparency, finance and anti-corruption regulation. Why did ICC suspend Cricket Canada? According to the ICC procedure, all member boards must maintain standards in 4 major areas: governance, compliance. National boards must follow transparent administrative system and decision-making structure. Financial accountability. Member bodies must maintain financial discipline and submit audited statements regularly. Anti-corruption standard. Boards must cooperate with ICC anti-corruption mechanism and maintain sporting integrity. Administrative obligation. Member organizations are required to operate under approved constitutional frameworks. The ICC concluded that Cricket Canada failed to meet several of these obligations. Governance and financial concerns. The action followed growing concerns over Cricket Canada's internal administration. Reported issues included allegation of corruption, weak governance mechanisms, financial irregularities, delays in audited financial reporting. Before imposing suspension, the ICC had already frozen Cricket Canada's funding in May 2026 and reportedly provided 6 months to implement corrective measures. Impact of suspension. The suspension does not completely remove Canada from international cricket. Canadian teams can still compete. Canadian national representative teams remain eligible for ICC events. Controlled funding mechanism. Financial assistance from ICC will continue but under direct monitoring. Restricted use of funds. Funding can only be used for national team operations, approved cricket programs, administrative necessities approved by ICC management. This arrangement ensures that players and competitions are not immediately affected. What happens next? Restatement process. The ICC has indicated that Cricket Canada may regain full membership if it satisfies specified conditions. These requirements